Never a day off with this car. It's not really because it's low. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's the car's fault.
Stephanie's not gonna be happy about this. This isn't good.
Where do I begin? Professionals here. Don't worry. We got this. We got this.
I think.
Fam, this is Brittany. Say hello to Brittany. Woo! So who's gonna put it first?
You are.
Okay. All right. Don't put them together. Once it's on, you can't rub them together.
I got you.
You got
A whole explosion.
Turn on car. Yeah, that's positive. You said that's positive. Wait, Brittany.
What?
I'm kidding.
What I do?
I'm kidding. Oh, that's not good.
That's not good.
That's not good, Brittany.
That's not good. Okay, let me do this side first.
It's gonna take like an hour.
Is this one right?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, I think that whole thing is one piece. So maybe on that bracket over there. Yeah. Just don't rub them together. Oh wow. See, it died.
So it's the positive. It has to be the positive.
Okay guys, so the car turned on and when we unplugged the positive from her car, it died. So now we're gonna try to see if we take the negative off, if it's gonna die. Let's see.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Welcome back. Never a day off with this car. It's not really because it's low. It's mainly because it's probably just old. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's the car's fault. We're still having issues with the car turning on and staying on. We fixed the battery, as you guys know. In my previous videos, we fixed the alternator. We fixed everything. And it's still having issues. My arm. It's still having issues and I've been depressed because of it, and you know, all I want is to drive the car. I've tried to diagnose it a bunch of times. I always thought at first it was the wire harness, but people, you know, they were saying it's the alternator, it's the battery, so we did that and I never fixed the wire harness. But now, you know, I have the new wire harness, so why not just install, why am I crouched? So why not just install the new wire harness, you know? It's in there, and if I don't fix it, you know, it's just gonna be sitting here. Let's just install the new wire harness. I was trying to look up online like how to install a brand new wire harness on a Honda Accord, and no solution. We have no instructions, no diagram. It's just me, my brain, and my hands. So we're gonna try to, what I'm probably gonna do is just try to just feel it. Feel where it goes and try to remember that's where it goes. So, if that makes any sense. You gotta figure out where all of these wires go.
Well, that's not that bad.
Learn from the first time. Negative comes out first. If you're removing your battery or something with your battery, just remove the negative first and then the positive last, because I don't understand the difference, but if the book says that, let's just do what the book says.
You read the book?
Yes, I read the book last night. The car Bible. It's pretty windy right now, so hopefully you guys can hear me, and that's why I'm being loud. No, I'm never loud, but okay. Hopefully it's not tight. Yeah, it shouldn't be tight. Okay. Okay.
It's tight. We'll
Yeah.
go get
The drill, right? Ooh, that's pretty tight. Okay. Drill is in my hand. So I'm gonna remove these two right here. If you have a Honda Accord that doesn't turn on, you're gonna do the same thing as me. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, that's not good. So we got an 8. Oh yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Easy. This wind is crazy.
you smelling it?
Well, if you don't know how to move and install a new alternator, just watch my old video. It's gonna be right here. Yeah, I unplugged this one right here. It was being held by a nut, and then over here too. Removing this, 100% recommend, because now you have space to remove the alternator and whatever's underneath here. So that's out the way now. In the arms of the angel, fly. So many cuts. Look at that. I knew I was gonna get a cut everywhere.
Band-Aid?
This one's gonna really hurt.
Stephanie. Skin. You're not even bleeding.
I'm waiting for the blood to come so I can start crying and pass out. This really helped a lot, because if this didn't come off, woo, I'd be here for hours. See, it's like green and rusted and it looks like it's dead. Hopefully that is the issue. Black and white. Please be the issue. Please. Please.
There you go.
Okay, and now we're gonna see if it sparks.
No spark.
No spark.
Dead.
It could just be dead. Leave it there for now. We are officially done. We finished installing wire harness. Now we got to see if the car is going to run healthy. Hopefully that was the issue. Hopefully my car now runs healthy and with no more issues, because if not, then who wants my car? No, we can't give up. We can't give up. So I'm really hoping that was the issue.
Alright, let's see if we could get Steph's Accord to start up here. Alright, let's see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Starts. Battery light is still on though. I don't know if it'll turn off. We don't know. Battery light is still on though. That's not good. Not a good sign. Stephanie's not gonna be happy about this. This isn't good. Let's see if it dies when we take the cables off though. Take the power?
It didn't die.
Huh?
It didn't die.
Yeah, but that don't mean shit. Take that. GG.
Where do I begin? What do I even say? I don't understand. You know, I'm not giving up. That's not what we're doing here. We're not giving up. We're gonna keep trying and attempting to fix the car. It is really upsetting, as you guys know, when you build a car, you obviously want to drive it. Not even just if you build it, like when you have a car, you want to be able to drive it, right? Sadly, I can't drive mine because it won't hold charge. So it starts, so it can't be the starter, right? It just won't hold charge. This weekend, I'm actually gonna go get a new battery, and if that doesn't help it, then a new alternator again. Basically redo everything. I know it can be something so small that's making the car not want to hold charge. So if you guys have any idea, it would help, honestly. I did not want to post this video because it was a fail, but I'm always going to keep it 100 with you guys because you guys support me every single day. I can't hide my fails, you know. I gotta be proud of my fails and be proud of my winnings as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Please give this video a like, comment down below any tips and see you guys in my next video. Hopefully my car will be running by then. Peace.
Yeah.